Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to get free digital marketing certifications. And the website we'll be using is e-marketing institute. It's one of the recognized online institution now, and they offer certification and free courses and training online. It's a very great place and institution to start your journey. And you know that most websites like Udemy, edX, and all that, you need to pay before you get any course and get certification online. So, but e-marketing institution gives you everything virtually for free. You're not paying anything, and with their certification. So, if this is your first time of visiting my channel at bizyjoe.com, you can contact us for any of these services. As you can see at Bizyjoe Technologies, we offer great services ranging from web design to SEO and XME. So, and in our TV at Bizyjoe also TV, we have a lot of great content ranging from Google AdSense approval, Canva, then even Jingo, how to design your blog, how to write a perfect blog post. So you can lay your hand in any of these our content and also share it with your friends. So if today is the first time of visiting my channel, please do it to leave us a subscription button. Just see the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime that I produce an awesome video like this. So let's move over to the website. So this is the website. This is the website emarketinginstitute.org is an organization. So I'll be dropping the link of this website on the description box below. So do well to check that. So as you can see, these free digital marketing courses, they have a lot of courses here. So you can see e-marketing, e-commerce certification, affiliate marketing certification, blogging certification, and there are a whole lot of certifications, and they are all free. And I have used this to get blog certification. You don't know, you can use this to apply for blogger job anywhere. So, and as you can see, this is the latest from their blog. You can read it. Then this is how their certification look like. Once you complete their courses and write the exam, this is how their courses, this is how their certificate looks like. So become a certified professional. So you can take your time and go through all this. So let me sign up is very simple and easy. If you just click on login but if you just click on that login button, then you can create new accounts. You can create new account. Let me just walk you through on how to create new account, but it's very easy and simple. Just with your email, then you can create new account. It's coming up. So you just put in your full name, the name as you want it to appear on your certification. Then you put your email. Once you do that, you just sign up. They will now send you a email. They'll send you a mail to confirm your email. Then you also set up your password. So this is my account. Let me just log in and show you some courses that I have completed on my own account and the certification that I have gotten so far from them. So you can also utilize the likes of Udemy, edX to also get some work done and get certification on those places. But you need to pay some token for you to get that. So as you can see, I have completed. It has been long. Okay, this e-commerce. I said it has been long. I last visited this website since 2020. So I have not taken tests for this particular listing. So, but let me check my certifications. Let me check. I think I've gotten some certificates from this particular site. So it's coming up. My my network is a bit slow. So as we are waiting, if if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below. So as you can see, I've gotten a blogging course and certification. I've gotten this. So I've also gotten affiliate marketing course and certification. This, and I got that. This one is on 2021. This one is 2020. So that has been long. So if I click, I can download these certifications if I want. So that's that. You can just go and then if you want to start, or if you want to register any course, let me just show you how to register courses, how to start taking courses. So, so let me go to courses. So if you want to take course, so you just click on free courses. You can choose any of these. If you want maybe web analytics, social media marketing, SEO, search engine marketing, and all that. Or you can just click on free courses and see the courses available. Then you can decide to take exam. Once you have logged in to your account, make sure you are logging in. So for you to start, then as you can see, this is an e-commerce course certification for free affiliate marketing. This is blogging. Then you can see this is rating how many students. As you can see, people are actually using this particular website. You can see how many students have already gotten certified on this particular course. This is for 1,000 content marketing courses. So what you need to do is just to click on course information, certification, and this is beginners level. So what you need to do, if you just click on start learning, so I'll just click on start learning. So this is my name, Joseph. Then just click on start learning. So as you can see, these are steps. Click on get your free ebook here. So once you click on get, I'll click on get free ebook. So that I can be able to download the free ebook. So once I download the free ebook, I'll go and read the free ebook. Then this is the ebook page, landing page. So you can see the content, interaction type, and all this. You can see. So you can download this. You can download this particular ebook on your system or on your phone. You can access this website either with your phone or with your laptop. You can then click on continue. So it's opening. So chapter one, you can read this, then and continue. So this is just how to download and get the course. So once you are through with the reading and all this stuff, once you are through with it, then you can write the test, log into your account, take the test, and get your certification. Passing score is 50%. So once you have completed the course here, you just log in account. Then when you log into your account, visit my okay. When you log into your account, so once you log into your account, you can see the courses that you have registered for. This is the one that I just registered, content marketing courses and certification. So you can click on start test. Once I click on start test now, then I will be taken to a page where I will be taking the test. Then I'll click on start exam. So there are 50 questions to answer. If you get 50 correct, then they will issue you a certification. You understand? So you can start, just read the question, then there are options. You can select any one, then click on next. So this is just simple how to get certification online through using e-marketing institute. It's a very wonderful great website. So if you find any value in this video, please do well to subscribe to our channel bizyjoe.com and share this video with your friends and family. So thanks for watching this video.